Pinaalala niya rin sa mga Supreme Court justices na they are impeachable officials too. And if they can decide what can and what cannot be impeachable, what are the rules of impeachment, then they upset the balance between the branches of the government kasi nga again, only the Congress is allowed to administer the impeachment. Kasi ang impeachment ay purview lamang ng House of Representatives at sa Senado naman ang paglilitis. Walang opisyales ang viably mai-impeach because of the new rules laid down by the Supreme Court, which the Supreme Court does not have authority over impeachment matters. Ayun ang sabi ni Romualdez.
The Supreme Court is a co-equal branch of government. Its wisdom is deep, its authority is real. But its members, like the President and the Vice President, are also impeachable officers. When the court lays down rules for how it or others like it may be impeached, it puts itself in the dangerous position of writing conditions that may shield itself from future accountability.
Hindi natin alam if ever mare-reverse ang unanimous decision na ito. Malaking sampal siya sa Supreme Court because, they just delivered that unanimous decision. Kung isipin natin, should the Congress even think of what the Supreme Court has said? May pakiba dapat ang Senado at House of Representatives kung ano ang nasa isip ng Supreme Court when the impeachment is decidedly under the purview of HOR at Senado? Kumbaga, bakit inilalaan o sinasang-alang ng mga senador ang opinion or ang desisyon ng Supreme Court about the impeachment? Never mind the fact na dismissed ito based on a technicality and a different, stricter interpretation mga justices ng nasabing pangyayari. Never mind the fact na sui generis ito, that it is unique, that it is not generic. Kumbaga, if this is sui generis in nature and circumstance, maybe hindi naman dapat natin ilagay yung sui generis sa isang sui generis essence rule. Kumbaga, should it really be bound by anything ordinary which can make its sui generis essence unavailable for most? Kasi again, pinahihirapan mo with that due process thing. Mayroon naman talagang due process.